So we're going on a 6-hour road trip and I'm packing all the snacks in the world I can think of to make sure we have enough food for the trip without stopping too much. This is my spiked cha, the recipe is linked on the top. A couple bottles of these. Some pistachio nuts, cashew, popcorn with vegan cheese, and some masala peanuts. And finally, the sandwiches that I'll show you the recipe for today. A creamy curry spicy chicken sandwich. And this is why I call it the curry creamy chicken sandwich, because of the red chili powder and turmeric. I've roasted some potatoes that are soft and crispy on the outside, and I'm adding those to the mix as well. And some chili crisps, which will make it extra crispy and delicious. And I'm using a toasty to make it a toasty, crispy sandwich and seal the outside to make it more car friendly and less messy to eat. But I obviously had to try one before we hit the road. It's delicious.